Did you know that a little exercise can be all it takes to boost your energy levels for the entire day? Exercise isn't just about building strength or getting fit, it's a natural way to recharge your body and refresh your mind. Even simple movements can increase blood flow, release feel-good endorphins, and shake off that sluggish feeling. Today we'll dive into 5 beginner-friendly exercises that are perfect for jump-starting your day and fueling you with limitless energy. Let's explore these easy moves that can help you feel more energized, focused, and ready to take on anything, with modifications included. Number 1. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a fantastic way to quickly wake up your body and get your blood flowing. This full body movement increases your heart rate, warms up your muscles, and helps you feel more alert in minutes. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump while spreading your legs apart and lifting your arms overhead, then jump back to the starting position. Aim for 2 sets of 20 to 30 reps or 30 seconds to 1 minute to get your heart pumping. As modification, if jumping feels too intense, step 1 foot out to the side while raising your arms overhead, then step back. Alternate sides for a low-impact version that's easier on your joints. Number 2. Squats. Squats strengthen the lower body, engage the core, and improve mobility, all of which contribute to feeling more energized throughout the day. Here's how to do it. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, chest up, and core tight. Bend at the knees and hips to lower your body as if sitting in a chair, then push back up through your heels. Aim for 2 sets of 15 to 20 reps with controlled movement to maximize the benefits. As modification, if a full squat feels challenging, try using a chair for support. Sit down and stand back up to build strength in your legs safely. Number 3. Leg swings. Leg swings quickly loosen up your hips and legs, boosting circulation and helping shake off any stiffness for an energy boost. Here's how to do it. Stand next to a wall or sturdy surface for balance. Swing one leg forward and backward in a controlled motion, engaging your core and maintaining good posture. Alternate legs, aiming for 2 sets of 15 to 20 reps on each side or 30 seconds to 1 minute to feel energized. As modification, if you find it challenging to swing your leg fully, reduce the range of motion or hold on to a chair for extra support. Focus on gentle, controlled swings to still activate your muscles without overexertion. Number 4. Wall push-ups. Wall push-ups strengthen the chest, shoulders, and triceps while being gentle on wrists and shoulders. Engaging the upper body also improves posture, which can boost energy levels. How to do it. Stand facing a wall with hands at shoulder height. Keep your body straight, bend your elbows and lean toward the wall, then push back to the starting position. Aim for 2 sets of 15 to 20 reps at a steady pace. For modification, if wall push-ups feel too challenging, take your time and go at your own pace to ensure the movement stays manageable. Number 5. Walking. Walking is a simple yet effective way to boost your energy, improve circulation, and lift your mood. It's accessible and can clear mental fog while refreshing your body. Here's how to do it. Aim for a 10 to 15 minute walk, either outdoors or indoors. Walk briskly if you can, swinging your arms for added engagement. As modification, if continuous walking feels challenging, break it into smaller intervals. Walk for 5 minutes at a time and gradually increase your endurance. Even short bursts of movement can have a big impact on energy levels. These 5 exercises are all about bringing a natural, sustainable boost to your energy without relying on caffeine or sugar. Just a few minutes of movement each day can refresh your body, sharpen your focus, and set you up for a more energetic, productive day. Try these exercises and enjoy the benefits of increased energy, better mood, and mental clarity. For more great content, remember to watch this next video here. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you soon.